Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is nice algebraic equation. A square divided by a is equals to 0, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, at the last I can explain the difference between solution and extraneous root. Also, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, you see here the exponent of the denominator term is 1. We write it as in this way, and here we use the nice exponential rule. You know about that, if we have x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n, this is equals to x to the power of m minus n. According to this exponential rule, we just move the exponent 1 to the upwards, and it will be written as a to the power of 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. So this term is also equals to 0. And further, in the next step, we have this is a to the power of 2 minus 1 becomes 1, which means that a is equals to 0. So this shows that here in this method we get just only one value of a, that is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of a be the solution, or is this value of a be the extraneous root. So first we decide about the nature of this root, and then I can explain the difference between extraneous root and solution. And now we verify the value of a. So for this we copy down given question statement. Here it is a square divided by a is equals to 0. So this is our given question statement, and here that we substitute a is equals to 0 into the left hand side, and we check its behavior. So this will becomes 0 square divided by 0 is equals to 0. And here you very well know about that 0 square becomes 0 divided by 0 is equals to 0. And here we know about that 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form. 0 over 0 form is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value a is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So if this value is not satisfied, this means that a is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so a equals to 0 be the extraneous root. And also you see here we cannot get any other value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for a second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is a square divided by a is equals to 0. So this is our given question statement, and here we use another technique or another approach to solve this problem for the values of a. So this method with a very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So first we move the term a from denominator to the right hand side, and we get a square equals to 0 multiplied by a. And here you very well know about that 0 times of a becomes here 0, And also we know that if a square equals to 0, this means that our a is equals to 0 and 0. So here we get two repeated roots of the given equation. But you see here these repeated roots are zero roots. So in the first method we already verified that this value of a does not satisfy our given question statement, so that we called this these roots be the extraneous root of the given equation. So now here I can explain the difference between extraneous root and solution. So the roots which is satisfied our given question statement is called the solution of that equation, but the roots which does not satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous root. Likewise, a equals to 0 be the extraneous root. And further you see here we cannot get any other values of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.